Hey y'all, quick video. I said tomorrow I'd get both those Nerf bars done. Well, that was yesterday, and I only got this one done. I didn't get out here till 2:30 in the afternoon, and was out here till about 5 or 6, and I got this one straightened out. Got the wheels back on, got the rear wheels spaced out so everything was straight, flat, square, and even, right? I mean, we may adjust it from there. The rear end might go in a little bit more, might come out a little bit more, whatever. But this is where we're starting. Everything is, like I said, has been plug drilled on through both sides. Both sides. There's the solid 5/8 stock is in here. I had to actually drill this piece of 3/4 inch tubing. It was a little thicker wall than the stuff that is generally used, that the 5/8 tubing fits right inside of, So this piece as well, we cut and notched a piece down there. We got a little spacer there. That's how high up off the floor tray it'll be. So that'll get welded to the chassis there. We've got another piece. We also, like I said, we had to drill that one out too because it's real thick walled stuff. If I got another piece of it laying here, I would show you, and I don't seem to have one right here handy, unless it's over here. Yeah, we've already notched it out. That's some pretty heavy wall stuff, right? So, it even feels heavy. But we just drill it. We just send a 5/8 drill bit right down it and drill it out and get her cleaned up so that round stock fits in there. So we'll probably bolt these on, maybe pin. I'm not sure. We may pin them on, pin it there, and then we could use a locking collar on either side. We're going to put some kind of support in here as well. Not sure if we're going to weld it to a piece of tubing that's on there, or if we're going to use some type of clamping apparatus so it's quick change, quick removable. Not sure yet. We'll figure that out as we go. Obviously, eventually pan tabs on there and some way of mounting our angle aluminum here that holds our floor tray up and keeps our side panel in place. But we're going to get the other one done today. Rich might be over later on to weld this stuff all together, and then tomorrow, Saturday, we are going to fix up the front end and get that squared away. And then from there, folks, it is literally downhill. We can start bolting stuff on, brake lines, brake fluid, get all the brakes up and working and all that happy stuff. And if, of course, we've decided not to paint it right away. That'll determine what goes on. No sense in doing brake fluid and all that stuff if we're going to do paint and everything. It's hard to paint chassis that's got fluid leaked on it and what have you. And I don't know many people that can bleed brakes without making a little bit of a mess, so myself included. If that's it, we'll bring you some more later on. We'll get the rest of this thing squared up and up and running, and we'll show you that before we're done for the day. God bless y'all. Hang in there.